Hello friends, today I have discussed some extension about MS Office and Openoffice tools, which is very important to student of Bachelor of Computer Application BSc IT or initial level of computer concept based students. So first of all, what is the extension of notepad? Notepad extension is .txt. Wordpad extension is .rtf, rich text format. Batch file .bat. Batch file is a execute .autoexe.batch file. It can in which we can use a dos command sequence that can run in a batch file. Then any application means any software we can install in Windows, that extension is .doc. It means executable file. MS Word 1905 and 1907, 2000, XP 2003, that extension is means MS Word extension is .doc. MS Word up to 2007 extension is .doc. MS PowerPoint 2003 2019-7 XP extension is .ppt. MS PowerPoint up to 2007 to 2019 .pptx. MS Excel 2003 .xls. MS Excel up to 2007 .xlsx. MS Access, that tool is used for database in which we can contain the database. That tool extension is .mdf, Microsoft data file or database file. MS Access up to 2007 extension is .accdb, access database. Openoffice is a similar tool of MS Access, MS Office. MS Office is a Microsoft product, and Openoffice is a open source software which is free of cost. That software in many university or colleges recommend Openoffice. That is totally open source software. There are some uh, tools. OpenOffice Writer, it is a similar to a MS Word. Its extension is ODT, OpenOffice Document Text. OpenOffice Calc, same as MS Excel, its extension .ods, OpenOffice Document Spreadsheet. OpenOffice Impression, it is the same as a PowerPoint. .odp, OpenOffice Document Presentation. OpenOffice Math, that is a very useful tool for mathematicians. Mathematica is one kind of software. Its similar type of software is Maths. OpenOffice Maths, its extension is ODF, OpenOffice Document Formula. OpenOffice Chart, ODC, OpenOffice Document Chart, in which we can develop the many type of chart: line chart, pie chart, pyramid chart, radar charts, whatever we want to develop in a chart. It is a very useful open source software. OpenOffice Base, it is similar to a MS Access. This MS Access, right, it is a Microsoft product, and Base is a open source. And it is in which we can create tables and row, column, and database. Its extension is OpenOffice Base extension is .odb, OpenOffice Database. OpenOffice Drawing, its extension is .odg, OpenOffice Drawing Graphics. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. Visit more information about me on http:// roank.panchal.wordpress.com. Thank you for subscribing, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching this video.